Welcome to our first Animo One golf tournament. Thank you everyone for joining. I hope you had a great time, made friends and partners during our golf tournament.
Are you ready for the thunder? 'Cause I'm turning up the heat.
I can see a lot of familiar faces, our batchmates, fellow alumni, friends, and some co-workers. We'd like to thank also our co-presenters, major sponsors, donors, supported us this project, the golf tournament. And hopefully, I'll see you in the next tournament also. And nice to see you and hope you had a good day.
Congratulations to Batch 2001. Looking forward to all the events lined up until our jubilarian celebration. Good job guys, Animo One!
Thank everyone for joining, all the sponsors for helping us out, the organizers for organizing this for everyone. Animo One! Swing ka muna, swing ka muna. Swing muna siya, tapos Animo One, ganun na lang.
Parang weird.
Go for the hole-in-one!
Pare, sino yung nag-bully sa'yo nung high school? Kakapasok mo lang sa Lasal.
Di ba ikaw?
Hindi, alam ko si Nano yun, sina Joem yun, tsaka sina Dan.
Oo, si Joe M. Pimentel.
Oo, di ba? Bully yun. Pero ngayon, sikat na daw yun.
Hiningan ako ng 50 pesos nung dati pare, high school pa lang tayo.
Now, sila na nang bubuli sa akin, kaya samahan ng palo natin, guys. Cheers, beer!
Oo, binuli ako ni Cholo tsaka ni Vince nung high school. Second year yun, tsaka third year.
Anong ginawa mo? Anong ginawa nila?
Wala, iniwan ako sa toilet tapos nilak ako. Oo, babalikan ko yan mamaya. Lalagyan ko ng something yung pagkain nila.
Pare, naalala ko noon, ngayon yung juice ng mga bata, na tayo 20 pesos eh. Ngayon, mga bata ngayon, parang 70 pesos na eh. Tumatanda na talaga tayo, no? Iba na talaga yung 01 na batch. Ano masasabi natin ngayon sa batch natin ngayon?
Ano mo sabi natin?
Mahal na mahal namin kayo lahat. Kaya support the
cause.
Support the cause. See you guys.
Thank you very
Thank you
much.
guys.
We love
Thank
you
you. Thank you guys.
all. We love you. Rui.
On behalf of the board of Batch 2001, thank you for attending the Animo One golf tournament.
Hi guys. Lesson number 1. It's all in dips. It's all in dips.
Yan, drama.
Okay na?
Okay.
Hugs, not drugs.
Congratulations to the organizers of this fundraising event. I hope that we'll be able to generate more funds in the upcoming fundraisers. So congratulations, and I hope to see more of our batchmates in the next events. And again, congratulations. Animo One!
Congratulations to Batch
01, thank you very much for inviting me again. Most of you guys I haven't seen since I left in grade school. And it's nice to reconnect with everyone. Congratulations for a very successful golf tournament today. And looking forward to our homecoming, Animo 01.
Batch 01, sobrang saya ko, sobrang thankful na ginawa natin to, nag-start na tayo. And nagulat ako sa sobrang dami ng support, to be honest. Ang daming players, imagine, 133 out of 140. Nagulat lang ako sa success and sobrang excited ako kasi ang dami natin batchmates na hindi nakakasama and nakita for years. Yung iba decades nga, yung iba high school pa. And sana meron tayong more activities like this para tuloy-tuloy yung momentum natin up until yung batch reunion natin on our 25th year. Promise to have full support the whole way through. Animo 01.